Hello student, this question was asked from manufacturing engineering and the topic is joining process. So the question is like that: in an arc welding process, the voltage and current are 25 volt and 300 ampere. So your voltage is 25 volt and your current is 300 ampere. The arc heat transfer efficiency is equal to 0.85. So heat transfer efficiency is governed as 0.85. The welding speed is 8 mm per second. So your welding speed is 8 mm per second. The net heat input, we have to calculate the net heat input and the unit should be in joule per mm is. So the solution of this question is, we have given the value of voltage, we have given the value of current, we have also given the value of heat transfer efficiency and the value of welding speed. So we know that the heat supply by welding machine is equal to your heat transfer efficiency multiply your voltage and multiply by your current. So voltage multiplied by current is gives you the power and multiplied by your heat transfer efficiency. So this much heat is supplied to your bead for melting processes. Fine. So value of neta is equal to 0.85, value of V voltage is equal to 25 and value of current is 300 ampere. So we also know that the net heat input is equal to heat supply upon welding speed. Heat supply upon welding speed. So heat supply, that means should be in watt and the welding speed is in mm per second. So the unit of this thing, heat input, will comes to joule per meter, and that is the unit, that should be the unit of our answer. So heat supply we have already calculated 0.8525 and multiply by 300. Welding speed, we know welding speed is equal to 8. Fine. So this will comes to 797. So this is your answer. Thank you students.